Do I look a little sweaty? Just a little bit? Well, it's because I have just tried and failed to fly a kite. It was pretty terrible. Ugh, I know, painful to watch. I know. Anyway, I'm blaming it on the wind, but enough about my kite flying failures. You're here to hear about the Traveler's Notebook. This is my limited edition olive green color. It was a little pricey, but after looking on Amazon, it was like actually cheaper, you know, to buy it from the store. So that was pretty cool. Eek. But anyway, I hope this video helps you guys because I had one before this and all I did was use like the notebook that came with it and that's it. And I didn't realize that you were supposed to like set up this whole system within it. And so now that I've been watching a lot more YouTube videos on it and Instagram videos, I'm really excited about the possibilities of this. So I already used the Leuchtturm for my bullet journal, but I think I'm going to use this as my art journal. So I'm really excited. I want it to be junky, you know, similar to those junk journals out there. Just Google it and it'll come up. I just want it to be gaudy. I want stuff falling out of the pages. So it looks all nice and clean right now, but hopefully in a couple of months, you guys are gonna be like, yeah, that looks cool. But anyway, after watching a video recently on how to set up my Traveler's Notebook, I decided to share with you guys what I learned. And so if you were as confused as I am on how this whole little system works, I hope this video kind of breaks down a little bit how it works. I'll also link to the original video that I watched below that inspired this video. Okay, here we go. All right, I saw a great YouTube video on how to set up your Traveler's Notebook. So I saw this, well, I went to one of my favorite stationery stores in Alexandria, Penny Post, because I love supporting local stores. Of course, I could have went on Amazon or wherever else, but I decided to go there because I just want to make sure stores like that stay open. But anyway, they had for those of you guys who know me, I love green. But anyway, they had this olive edition, so it's a special edition. Most of the time, the Traveler's Notebook comes in like their traditional camel or their original camel color or brown, and now they have blue. So this olive is actually a limited edition. It's like a really deep olive. And so it's a little bit more expensive than the other colors because it is limited edition. So it gives me some instructions that I cannot read. Oh, there we go. How to care for the leather. And some other goodies about the notebook. And here's like an extra string. And for those of you guys who aren't familiar with the Traveler's Notebook, this is it. And you see the green is a nice dark green. I love it. A little scratch here, that's okay. But the way it works is there is a band that's right here, and it goes in here, and just in case it wears out, excuse me, then you can use this extra one, or you can use this extra one to actually set it up. It has this little string here, used, I guess, as like a bookmark. And I had actually another traveler's notebook in Cambell, and I pretty much finished all these pages with illustrations. So I wanted to get this one because I just wanted a second one, and I just happened to be able to get this olive color, which is great. And so the way it's set up is, you see there is like this band in here. It's like two. So you could put multiple notebooks in here. So, and you always put it right in the center of the notebook. So I'm setting this one up a little different than my other one. And my other one was so plain because I really didn't know how to work the traveler's notebook. But this one, I wanted to have some pockets because I love pockets. So basically I'm just putting it in the center here and then feeding it through the middle, and then it'll stay in here and it creates cool little pockets. They also have stickers where you can stick pockets onto the leather part itself, the inside, but that's too much commitment for me, so I couldn't do that. I also like to carry around stickers with me, so I thought this actually would be a welcome piece because not only will I have this traveler's notebook that I'll use more for kind of like an art journal, but I also carry around my bullet journal too. So I guess this is just telling me how to use this zipper. And I'm gonna actually use that inside elastic to, let's try not to mess it up. Oh, you know what? Look at that. It kinda, let me think about how I wanna do that. I wonder if I'm just gonna test to see how well this does in here. That does a little bit better. So I'm gonna take the longer one and I'm gonna use it for this one instead because I don't have another notebook to put in the center of here to keep it from folding. So, or bending like how it was. So I'm hoping by now using this one, perfect. So there we have it. My little notebook. Look at that. And just to show you, hold on one second. This is my other one. And as you see, I've kind of almost used all of it, but I just wanted you all also to see. Sorry, I'm trying to find the middle. Here we go. I'm making a mess here. Let's see. There we go. Oh, for some reason, oh, it was stuck. I was like, what is going on here? And this one I beat up pretty bad. Look at that. But I guess it's supposed to be worn down after a while. But for this one here, for example, I was trying to say that if I wanted to, I could put this, like another one in here, and then that's how you start to just continue to build and get like those really thick notebooks. And then people have jewels that hang off and they use like little clips. But anyway, that is how I set up my traveler's notebook to start with. I hope this was somewhat helpful. The video that I saw before was really helpful, so I'll also link that one before, since I'm a little new to the Traveler's Notebook. I mean, even though I've used it before, I feel like I wasn't using it to its fullest potential. So the plan now is to really do some amazing art journaling in here, and maybe get another one to do some sketching and some pressed flowers. That would be pretty cool. All right, here we go.